Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June 13th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, an analyst at Wells Fargo hinted that Mylan could become the next drug maker to face scrutiny over its pricing practices. Analyst David Maris noted that the company has implemented price hikes of at least 20% on 24 products, including hikes of more than 100% for 7 products within the last 6 months. Also in the news, Teva and an Allergan subsidiary have reached an agreement to sell the U.S. rights to 8 therapies to Dr. Reddy's for a combined consideration of $350 million in cash. The portfolio consists of products that are being divested by Teva as a precondition of the completion of its $40.5 billion deal to acquire Allergan's global generics business. In addition, Marinus Pharmaceuticals will discontinue development of ganaxolone for drug-resistant focal onset seizures in adults after the treatment failed to meet the primary endpoint of a Phase 3 trial. The company, whose shares dropped as much as 60% on the news, noted that it intends to focus its efforts on advancing ganaxolone in status epilepticus and pediatric orphan indications. Also featured, 11 Biotherapeutics entered a licensing agreement with Roche worth as much as $270 million, granting the Swiss drug maker an exclusive worldwide license to its preclinical therapy EBI-031 for the potential treatment of ocular diseases such as diabetic macular edema and uveitis. According to 11, the humanized monoclonal antibody, which was designed for intravitreal delivery using its AmpRx platform, potently binds interleukin-6 and inhibits all forms of IL-6 cytokine signaling. And finally, Teva will voluntarily suspend sales, marketing and distribution of the transdermal drug patch ZECUITY for the treatment of migraine with or without aura in adults. Teva has received post-marketing reports of application site reactions described as burns and scars in patients treated with the therapy and is working in full cooperation with the FDA to better understand these adverse events. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.